It's a symbol of economic power, stability, and global influence. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these dollars are made? The process of creating US currency is a fascinating blend of art, science, technology, and security. From the design and printing to the intricate anti-counterfeiting measures, the journey of an American dollar is nothing short of extraordinary. In today's Lord Gizmo episode, we'll dive deep into the world of dollar production, uncovering the secrets behind the creation of the world's most powerful currency. Before we delve into the modern process of making dollars, it's important to understand the origins of the US currency. The dollar was officially adopted as the United States monetary unit in 1785, following the American Revolution. The Coinage Act of 1792 established the US Mint and standardized the dollar as the primary unit of currency. Initially, dollars were coins made of silver and gold, but as the economy grew, the need for paper currency became evident. The first paper dollars were issued during the Civil War in 1861, known as demand notes. These were followed by United States notes and eventually the Federal Reserve notes we use today. Over time, the design, security features, and production methods of the dollar have evolved significantly, reflecting advancements in technology and the need to combat counterfeiting. The dollar has undergone numerous transformations since its inception. In the early days, paper currency was issued by individual banks, leading to a lack of uniformity and widespread counterfeiting. To address this, the US government centralized currency production under the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, in 1862. Since then, the dollar has become a global standard, used in international trade, and held as a reserve currency by central banks around the world. The production of US paper currency is the responsibility of the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, a government agency under the US Department of the Treasury. Established in 1862, the BEP operates two facilities, one in Washington, D.C., and another in Fort Worth, Texas. Together, these facilities produce billions of dollars each year, ranging from $1 bills to $100 bills. The BEP is tasked with designing, engraving, printing, and inspecting US currency. It employs a highly skilled workforce, including artists, engravers, printers, and security experts, who work together to ensure the quality and integrity of every bill. The BEP also produces other government documents, such as passports and treasury securities, but its primary focus is on currency production. The Fort Worth facility, opened in 1991, was established to meet the growing demand for currency and to provide redundancy in case of emergencies. It uses the same advanced technology and processes as the Washington, D.C. facility, ensuring consistency in the quality of the bills produced. Creating a dollar bill starts with its design. The BEP employs a team of talented artists, engravers, and designers who work together to create the intricate artwork found on US currency. The design process is a delicate balance between aesthetics and security. Every element of the bill, from the portraits to the patterns, serves a purpose. The most prominent feature of any dollar bill is the portrait. For example, the $1 bill features George Washington, the $5 bill has Abraham Lincoln, and the $100 bill showcases Benjamin Franklin. These portraits are meticulously engraved by hand using specialized tools. The level of detail is astonishing, with fine lines and shading that make the images appear almost lifelike. In addition to portraits, dollar bills feature various symbols, seals, and vignettes that reflect American history and values. For instance, the Great Seal of the United States appears on the back of the $1 bill, while the Lincoln Memorial is depicted on the $5 bill. One of the most critical aspects of dollar design is incorporating security features to prevent counterfeiting. Modern US currency includes a range of advanced features, such as watermarks, embedded images that are visible when held up to light, security threads, thin strips woven into the paper that glow under ultraviolet light. Color-shifting ink, ink that changes color when the bill is tilted. Microprinting, tiny text that is difficult to replicate with standard printers. These features are seamlessly integrated into the design, making it nearly impossible for counterfeiters to produce convincing replicas. Unlike ordinary paper, US currency is printed on a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This unique composition gives dollar bills their distinctive feel and durability. The paper is manufactured by a single company, Crane and Company, which has been supplying the Bureau of Engraving and Printing since 1879. Crane and Company was founded in 1801 by Stephen Crane in Dalton, Massachusetts. The company initially produced high-quality paper for writing and printing, but it soon became the exclusive supplier of currency paper for the US government. Today, Crane and Company continues to produce the paper used in US currency, maintaining the same standards of quality and security that have made it a trusted partner for over a century. The process of making currency paper begins with raw cotton, which is cleaned, bleached, and refined to remove impurities. The cotton is then mixed with linen fibers to create a durable and resilient material. The paper is infused with tiny red and blue fibers, which are randomly distributed to enhance security. Finally, the paper is cut into large sheets and shipped to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing for printing. Once the design is finalized and the paper is ready, the printing process begins. This is where the magic happens, transforming blank sheets of paper into crisp, colorful bills. The BEP uses a combination of offset printing, intaglio printing, and letterpress printing to produce dollars. The first step is offset printing, which applies the background colors and patterns to the paper. This process uses plates to transfer ink onto the paper, creating the intricate designs that form the bill's backdrop. Next comes intaglio printing, the most distinctive and secure part of the process. Intaglio involves engraving the design into metal plates, which are then filled with ink. The paper is pressed against the plates under high pressure, transferring the ink and creating the raised texture that is characteristic of US currency. This raised texture is one of the key features that make dollars difficult to counterfeit. Finally, letterpress printing is used to add the serial numbers and treasury seals. This process involves pressing inked type or plates onto the paper, leaving a slight impression. After printing, the large sheets of currency are cut into individual bills using high-speed cutting machines. Each bill is then inspected for defects or errors. The BEP employs a combination of automated systems and human inspectors to ensure that every bill meets strict quality standards. Any bills that fail inspection are shredded and recycled. In fact, the BEP shreds millions of dollars worth of currency each year to maintain the integrity of the money supply. Once printed and inspected, dollar bills are bundled and shipped to the Federal Reserve, the central bank of the United States. The Federal Reserve distributes the currency to banks nationwide, ensuring a steady supply of cash for businesses and individuals. From banks, dollars flow into ATMs, cash registers, and wallets, entering everyday circulation. This seamless process ensures that fresh, secure bills are always available. The journey from the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, to your wallet is a testament to the efficiency and reliability of the US monetary system, keeping the economy running smoothly. Producing US currency is surprisingly cost-effective, with expenses varying by denomination. For example, a $1 bill costs about 5 cents to make, while a $100 bill costs around 13 cents. These costs cover materials, labor, and advanced security features. Despite the low production cost, the dollar's value lies in the trust and confidence it inspires globally. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, ensures efficiency, producing billions of bills annually. Interestingly, worn-out or defective bills are shredded and recycled, maintaining the currency's integrity. The dollar's durability and widespread acceptance make it a cornerstone of the global economy, far outweighing its production cost. As technology continues to evolve, so does the concept of money. The rise of digital currencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, has sparked debates about the future of physical cash. While it's unlikely that paper currency will disappear entirely, the US government is exploring the possibility of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. This would complement existing dollars, offering a digital alternative for transactions. The American dollar is not just a currency, it's a fascinating piece of history and culture. Here are some intriguing facts that make the dollar unique. The $2 bill. Often considered rare, the $2 bill is still in circulation and legal tender. Despite its low usage, it remains a collector's favorite, featuring Thomas Jefferson on the front and the Declaration of Independence on the back. "In God we trust." This phrase first appeared on U.S. coins in 1864 during the Civil War and was added to paper currency in 1957. It reflects the nation's motto and has sparked debates about the separation of church and state. The $100,000 bill. The largest denomination ever printed, featuring Woodrow Wilson, was never circulated to the public. It was used exclusively for transactions between Federal Reserve banks. Greenbacks. Dollar bills are nicknamed greenbacks due to the green ink used on the back, introduced during the Civil War to prevent counterfeiting. Lifespan of bills. A $1 bill lasts about 5.8 years in circulation, while a $100 bill can last up to 15 years due to less frequent use. Microprinting. Tiny, nearly invisible text is embedded in dollar designs as a security feature, making counterfeiting extremely difficult. The creation of American dollars is a remarkable process that combines artistry, engineering, and cutting-edge technology. From the intricate designs to the advanced security features, every aspect of dollar production is carefully crafted to ensure the currency's integrity and longevity. As we move into an increasingly digital world, the dollar remains a symbol of stability and trust, a testament to the ingenuity and innovation behind its creation. So the next time you hold a dollar bill in your hand, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken, from the cotton fields to the printing press, and finally, to you. It's not just money, it's a piece of history, art, and technology, all rolled into one.